guys, and welcome back to the DU EVS course. Today we'll be covering the fifth topic from chapter 3, that is water calamities and conflicts. Now, we're aware about the importance of water as a resource. It is an important part of abiotic component, and most animals have about 60% of their body composed of water. Apart from this, we're also familiar with the uses of water, some of which are drinking, irrigation, transportation, washing, and many more. So without any further ado, let's move on to the main topic of the chapter. Water calamities. Well, even though water is called the elixir of life, the frequencies and intensities of hydro hazards are rising. Now, these hazards have very disastrous effects not only on humans but other forms of life as well. Some examples of hydro hazards are flood, drought, tsunamis, storm, cyclones, etc., some of which are detailed in the video. So the first type of water calamity that we'll be discussing in detail today is flood. Flood means overflowing or upsurge of water bodies that lead to massive outflow of water on terrestrial land. These occur when the magnitude of the flow of water exceeds the carrying capacity of the root of water source. Flood has a lot of catastrophic effects, some of which are threat to livelihood, excessive loss to mankind, increase in waterborne diseases, etc. Floods occur due to a lot of reasons, some of which are deforestation, flash flood, overgrazing of field, excessive rainfall, mining, melting of glaciers due to global warming, reduction in water flow in channel, etc. Now, since we have learned about the causes and effects of flood, it is very important for us to know about flood management. Some techniques of flood management are afforestation, which means establishment of forest in an area that was previously not forested. The next one is building and checking dams to control the flow of water. And the very important one is early forecasting and rescue force. Now, the second calamity that we'll be discussing today is drought. Drought is a situation of scarcity of water. It is a period of time when an area or region experiences below normal precipitation. Some effects of drought are low agricultural productivities, threat to livelihood, destruction of habitat, scarcity of resources, desertification, etc. Droughts are caused due to numerous reasons such as low precipitation, climate changes due to ecological imbalance, overpopulation, late arrival of monsoon, or irregular cropping patterns. Some techniques of drought management are afforestation, water management through rainwater harvesting, change in cropping patterns, etc. Now we have completed the first part of the topic, water calamities. Moving on to the second part, water conflicts. From time immemorial, conflicts on water, national or international, has been persistent. These conflicts arise due to unequal distribution of water resource. Some of the major national conflicts that has been persistent in India since years are Krishna River dispute between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, Kaveri River dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Some of the major international conflicts are Indus River dispute between India and Pakistan, Tista River dispute between India and Bangladesh, Colorado River between Mexico and USA. Now I hope that the topics are clear. If you still have any doubts, please feel free to comment, and for more detailed notes, please visit our website.